So you might be wondering how you can go through and make an iCloud account. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're first going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your internet browser of choice. Now, when you're on your internet browser, what you can do is you want to go ahead and basically type in iCloud. So just like this, you can just type in iCloud right on Google. And you want to go to iCloud.com. So make your way over to iCloud.com just like this, and then you're going to see a little button on this website that says sign in. All you want to do is you want to tap onto that sign in button, and there's going to be a little option that comes up at the bottom. If you're on an iPhone, it'll tell you to sign in, or what you can do is you can also just skip it, and you can also just get into this website portion. There's going to be a little option right at the bottom that says something basically like create Apple account. So all you're going to want to do is tap on create Apple account right there, and then it's going to allow you to create your Apple account. So go ahead, you'll be able to create your Apple account this way, aka your iCloud account. So this is going to be something that you're going to be able to do. You can go and set it up whichever way you want to. So fill out all this information and do what you got to do from here. And that's essentially all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.